part 2 of the first live video here, taking it short. They got in for the 3 teeny bounce and got immediately short. Joel, where was your entry at?
496.49.
Okay, so 496 is right here. It shot right up there, tested that half bar, and you got short right in these 2 diamonds, and now you've gone down 1 teeny, 2 teenies, 3 teenies, 4 teenies. That's $4 lower again on Priceline that you just did. Are you aware of that, sir?
Yeah, I'm up a few hundred. I'm up 100, more than 100 pennies. That's for sure.
Well, I would say so. You just got 400 pennies from four. If you the amount of pennies from here is like one teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny, 4 teenies. That's $4. That's 400 pennies.
Yeah, I know.
And the thing about it is, once again, the entry, the coming back down, the IR in trade number 1, we were way up here in positive territory from 0.67, which equaled a positive dollar movement of 10.72, has gone negative. Right now we're at 0.2 negative, and now we're negative 26 cents on the day from the original high. And this is how it's done, MMTs. And this is entry short number 2. Tom, I don't know where he went, but he shorted it in first video 1, went long here, came out. Joel has shorted it. Kareen, have you shorted it again? Yes or no? And we continue to be extremely weak in video trade number 1. Part 1 is how this row works, this line of road in your market maker application, and the accuracy. And now we can look and see when we'll put a bottom in. 0.15 was the morning intraday low. And then from negative, now to back to positive 2. And I'm going to go long here for one reason. Because
I just got stopped out.
Yeah, because I'm starting to turn back into positive territory. So yeah, I'll take a very light entry. And as long as I don't close below there, I'll stay net long. Once again, Joel, excellent trade. The reversal started up here at the half bar, where if it closed below it, and I was talking about where the stop market order would be, and then the short would come into play, and it came in, and boy, did it ever. And that's that volatility wick to the half bar and right down. So here we are again in another late day. I buy to cover here. I'm 0.3 positive. If I go up toward 10 and 15, then I'm going to go all the way back up. So I got 1, 2 teenies, 3 teenies, 4 teenies, 5 teenies, 6 teenies down. So how many teenies do I get up? 3 teenies is a $3 move off that bottom, and we've covered that net short. We're net long, right, crew? And you're look at here, positive 10, positive 11. Update me on your longs. All right, so Joel, you're long, and you should have been long down here, Tom.
I put it in at 494, but
1, 2, 3 teenies. Be careful at the third teeny. You've got to stay closing above the half bar. That's $2.03. That's 2 teenies above this half bar right here. $2.03. Like I said before, in this very column, the higher that ratio, the stronger that bottom will be above the previous half bar. Just like you did over here with the 3 teenies up. This one here is always what confirms that last sell down, and you always make transactions again just as you're going long. Right, Joel? Give me your entry, sir. The low is 490.87 on the day. The high is 503.98. The opening bar was 499. So I need to know where the entries were and how I'm changing back here. I was -3. I'm positive 16. I'm going all the way. I am long. I am 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny, 4 teenies up. I just had a $4 move up to go along with my shorts over here, my shorts here. Now look at that wonderful breakout on Priceline. Part 2 live here and now, and everything worked my way in that ratio. There's that late day. There's that qualifier. That half bar right here is now 495. You're printing at 495.96 by 496.70 in that bid and ask 74-cent spread. That means they got to pay up above. You've got that double diamond resistance from the last 9-minute bar 9 minutes ago where it got that entry. Congratulations, MMTs. Do you see how it works now? Yes or no? And you're above 35 and you're at 16. Do you see that? You do? That's great. What I would like my MMTs to see here on that wonderful entry down at that bottom covering that short finally is that from this break teeny line down, it was 1 teeny, 2 teenies, 3 teenies, 4 teenies right to the penny. And that meant $4, $1 per line, $4 down, and you just had 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny, 4 teenies right there. That meant in 3 minute, 6 minute, 9 minute, 12 minute, 15 minute, each bar being exactly what it is here and now is that you had an $8 movement in the trade because you have. Right here. If I just blow up this part of the chart, you can see here where that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 back to resistance. That's an $8 round trip in 15 minutes of being an SMF market maker, and that half bar will be your support level. If you have 200 shares, I'd sell 100 shares into here. If you got 50 shares, sell 50 and then rely on that diamond support to bounce because you had $4 down and $4 up and you're not able to get above it.
Yeah, I've got to go. I'm going to limit take out, and
all right.
I got to go to a meeting.
All right. Well, you did excellent, Joe.
I'm learning. It's fun.
It is.
Good job, Joel.
Okay. That's how it works, SMF MMTs. That's the beautiful thing about being a market maker in 15 minutes. You made $8 movement when everyone else is waiting to get a $3 movement.